general with instruction for pump decoder by Luckylocks. In this case, potent pompa with 4 pins. This is how the tool looks like. This is the main head, you can rotate it and you can see the small pins here. Main blade, tension handle with small tension handles. It has the starting position, start point indicator and turbo wheel, and this is everything you can do with it. And while I'm rotating the turbo wheel, you can see the cassette is moving up and down. Potent, this is the key profile. It has 4 pins inside. This is how the key looks like. First pin, second pin, third and fourth here. Now you insert it, you push it inside, and now you can rotate it as many times as you want, and it will rotate this thing here. Obviously, first thing we need to do is to reset our tool. And how to do this? The turbo wheel isn't the key here, isn't the main thing here. It doesn't matter where it is, but I suggest you put your head like this, something like 90 degrees, and rotate it left, fully to the left. Like this, it will be stable. Now, here is how the reset tool looks like, and you have holes here from the bottom, and you need to push the pin like this. If you try to push it, because the head holds pin inside this channel, and if you try to push it from the very bottom of the pin, I'll try to imitate this. Here, and if you try to push it all the way up, you simply will lose the pin, and it's not the big deal to put it back, but you can see how small this thing is. Now, like this, push all the way up, and you need to do this 4 times. And now you can see all 4 pins are up. Now, to start, starting position, it's with turbo wheel fully to the left. And now, the head has an orientation. You can put it like this, and you can see it is wrong. You won't be able to reach the bottom of the lock. Rotate it like this. It's perfect. Now, orientation. If it's wrong, you won't be able to go in. Now you need to find the right depth of the lock. How to do this, and soon and later you will need to keep it, and it's one of the difficult part here. So push your tool all the way in, rotate it to the right or to the left, and pull a little bit. Sorry, it will stop, and this is the right depth. Now the problem is, this is how the procedure looks like. You give it a tension, not too much, then to the left or to the right, then with turbo wheel fully to the right, keep the tension, go back, and now you need to release the tension. If you do it like this, the lock will push your tool out. But you need to keep it on right depth, and again tension to the right, go back, and hold it like this, and you won't lose your depth. And like this, you can hear these clicks. This is the sign that the tool is working. The lock, with every turn of the turbo wheel, the lock will let you to rotate your tool further and further. You can see now it's more to the right, and at some point you will be able to rotate the tool as many times as you want or as many times as you need to open the door or anything else. Now you can extract the tool and you can see our pins are in the code. If you try to put it back in, there's a big chance you will lose the code, so don't try this. I'll show you from the back that the tool is working perfectly. You can see, same as the key. And this was general video instruction for potent pump lock with 4 pins. Thank you and good luck.